never too late to really pursue anything, especially now that, the life expectancy just keeps getting higher and higher. Like we can just keep,
Yeah, we're gonna
doing
live till
different
100.
things.
We're gonna live till 120, man. I'm just kidding.
Exactly.
Hey, you never know. You never know.
So, I just feel like age, back then when your life expectancy was just like 40, 50, yeah, it matters when you're like 30.
Yeah.
So get your shit together. But like, now that you're living so much longer, like you can, have opportunities to do totally different things that you never expected.
Can reinvent yourself. Yeah. Several times in your career.
I would tell my 22-year-old self just not to be so, I guess, anxious about, trying to optimize like, the right path, because there's just no right path. Everybody's just trying to figure it out as they go along.
I think that's great. I'm hopeful with this podcast, we don't give more anxiety. And I hope that what it's doing is actually opening people's eyes that there are a lot of different paths to success, not just the investment banking for 2 years to private equity.
Exactly.
So that's the goal here. And, I think if listening to this podcast is giving you stress or anxiety, you should stop.